Good morning, everyone. My name is Shubh Sharma, and let's start with our pre-market analysis. So let's start with geopolitical updates. So major headlines are coming from China and more from America. So as you all know that Mr. Trump is in China tour, and there are major headlines that are coming from those meetings. So the first headlines, and if I have to summarize everything in straightforward manner, then yes, China agrees that Strait of Hormuz should open, and China has also agreed that they will not supply any equipment, any war related equipment to Iran. So that is a very positive news, and China has promised this to Mr. Trump. So these are the major headlines that are coming from the deal between what is the talk between this China and America. And also China has talked about Taiwan, and China is very strict in this matter that Taiwan is in their topmost priority list. So let's see what updates comes from Taiwan between China and America. So these are the major updates, and I have given you in detail, and I have given you in a summarized way. So what are the major updates? I have not gone in length, in depth, because there is no major deal or major agreement that has been signed. There has just been talk about the Iran and Strait of Hormuz, and China has also agreed that yes, Strait of Hormuz should be opened and they will not supply any war equipment to Iran. So this is the words from China, and Trump says he is very happy and the relationship between China and America are stronger than ever. Now if you look at Dow Jones closed at 370 points positive, Nasdaq closed at 213 points positive, and S&P 500 also closed at 56 points positive. Yesterday Nasdaq hit all-time high. Well, there are a few reasons why the US market is on higher trajectory. Well, the number one reason is AI boom. So there's a massive AI boom in America. Second main reason is corporate results. Look at companies from Syngene System. It is up by 13% after delivering very strong numbers. So second reason is the quarterly numbers. And the third is US consumer has increasing. So US consumer spending is increasing. This shows the economy is healthy and people are spending. Because of which the market is reacting positive. Now, fourth thing is US and China updates. So after the good updates coming from China and America meeting, so the market shot up. Now, FII on previous session, they bought close to 187 crores, and DII, they have bought close to 684 crores. SGX Nifty showing a gap down opening of 40 points. Brent crude now is at $106.8 per barrel. Asian markets are mostly flat to negative. Now let's talk about our market, but before that, a major headline coming today for our country, that government has finally hiked the prices of diesel and petrol by 3 rupees. I think, if I'm not wrong, 3 rupees they have hiked the prices of diesel and petrol. So finally, the most awaited thing that I was telling that after the elections, the prices of the petrol and diesel might hike and may hike. So yes, it has been hiked. So now that tension has gone, and finally it has been hiked. But it is good for stock market point of view. The company will not face any losses or not carry any heavy losses, so that the prices now have increased. There will be a positive impact on the stocks. Now let's talk about Nifty and Bank Nifty. So closing was around 23,600, very positive closing I will say, but still market is on sell on rise. Till we don't close about 23,800, the market is a sell on rise. Now the strong support now is at 23,200, and the resistance now will become 23,800. So for me, it's a sell on rise. Still, I don't believe in this long side rally what has happened yesterday till we are below 23,800. Only about 23,800 I will say yes, the market is on a buy on dip market and the worst is over. Till then, it's a sell on rise. Now if you look at Bank Nifty, closing was around 54,128. The support now will become 53,800, and the resistance now will become 55,800. Now the numbers, yesterday the GSW Steel came out with fantastic number, very good number from GSW Steel, and Tata Motors was okay results, and today the results from Power Grid and Tata Steel will be coming out with results for Nifty 50. So I have to watch out very closely. So this is the market view. I have given you the structure of the market. It's a sell on rise. Still we are below 23,800. Only about 23,800 will be a buy on dip market. So I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you have taken the notes. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.